Hello everyone. In this short video, I will explain you how to attempt the test series from the website and Acadflix applications, that is Android app and Apple app. So you can download the applications from the App Store or Play Store. So this test series is free for all who are preparing for NT-NET computer science or for PGD computer science like KVS or HPSC. So to attempt the free live test series, you just click on the button. So open the website acadflix.com, then you will see this button, that is free test series. That is green color button. Click on this and then a page will open. In this you will see start button if you have already login into the website. Otherwise you will have to log in using your Gmail ID or your email ID. Click on the start button and then this course will open. In this you will see the first full mock test. Just click on the start and the test will start from 2:30 p.m. today. So every Sunday we have live test, so you will see the rank after the test is finished. So once you finish your test, you will be able to see the live rank among all the students who have attempted the live test. So this is a live test, which means that you can attempt it only when the test is being conducted, that is from 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So to attempt the test series from the application, just open the Android app or your Apple app. And after that, you will see all categories. In the all categories, go to end and you will see the live test series. Just click on that and then click on the image, then click on start, and you will see upcoming live test that will start from 2:30 p.m. and you can click on that. It will start.